Do you want to disable the Windows Defender's real-time protection and it keeps turning on? In this video, you will see how to fix real-time protection keeps turning on. Is your third-party antivirus expired? Does your Windows Defender's real-time protection keep turning on even if you have installed a third-party antivirus? If that is the case, you should check if your third-party antivirus license is expired. An expired third-party antivirus means your PC has no security. That's the reason your Windows Defender's real-time protection is getting enabled. So you need to check the license, and if it is expired, renew your third-party antivirus license. Disable tamper protection. Before following any steps, you should first disable the tamper protection, as this feature won't let you disable the real-time protection. To do that, open the Windows Security app. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Under the Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down and disable tamper protection. Use Group Policy Editor. Now we will use Group Policy Editor to disable the real-time protection. If you are using Windows 11 Home Edition, your PC won't have the Group Policy Editor. We have a video on how you can enable the Group Policy Editor on Windows 11 Home. You can check the video from the description or click the I button, or simply use the Registry Editor to disable real-time protection, which I will explain in the next step. Now press the Windows +R button, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. Now navigate through Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and then Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Now select Real-Time Protection. Then on the right-hand side, find Turn Off Real-Time Protection. Double-click on it, then select Enabled. Click Apply and OK. Now you can restart your computer and check if your Windows Defender's real-time protection is now disabled. Use Registry Editor. If your PC doesn't have the Group Policy Editor, you can use the Registry Editor to disable the real-time protection. Press the Windows +R button, type Regedit, and hit Enter. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Now copy the registry key from the video description, paste it on the address bar of the Registry Editor, and hit Enter. Now on the right side, right-click, choose New DWORD 32-bit value, and name it Disable Anti-Spyware. Double-click on it and set the value to 1. Now, on the left side, go to Real-Time Protection. Now on the right side, right-click and create a new DWORD 32-bit value. Name this Disable Real-Time Monitoring. Open it and set its value as 1. Similarly, create some other keys to make sure real-time protection stays disabled. Disable Behavior Monitoring. Disable on Access Protection. Then set the value of 1 on these keys. Close the Registry Editor and restart your PC. Windows Defender's real-time protection will be disabled. Disable Windows Update. The most important reason your Windows Defender's real-time protection keeps turning on is the Windows Update. Microsoft releases security updates and patches from time to time. These updates have instructions to rewrite security configurations, force enabling real-time protection. If you want to disable the real-time protection and keep it that way, you will have to disable the Windows Update. Now, I must warn you that I am not suggesting that you disable the real-time protection or disable the updates. These are the most essential security components of your PC. Your PC might get infected with a serious threat and you could lose all your data. So do this at your risk. To disable the update, press the Windows +R button, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Here on the Services window, locate Windows Update. Double-click on it to open. Now click on the Startup Type drop-down and select Disabled. Click on Apply and OK to close the window. Now your Windows Defender's real-time protection will be permanently disabled. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below. And share this useful video with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.